Come on, you guys. Poppy's coming. Grayson, this is the battle where we defeat enemies and try to defeat Gaten's minions and some of his, well, dangerous things. These are powers to defeat the enemies. So whenever I go to quests all day, Poppy likes to use her axe, which was the physically dangerous thing to use. Poppy can hear you. Poppy uses her axe all the time. Poppy doesn't even use it for dangerous things. She uses it to defeat other enemies. Yeah, right. I don't think we're not going to be catching on that. Come on, Prism. Let's enter to the battle. So which quest do you want to do? Wait, that name looks oddly strange. It says, the enemies. What enemies? Would it be a new enemy or... Each quest have different names, so you can enter which one you like, or you can enter a random one. Plus, if we increase up our level skills, then we can power up. Yeah, you can also level up whenever you ended the quest. Wow, I want to level up. It might take a few days to get to 10. I've only reached to 1. To 2. Really? Yeah, it's easy. But once it's harder to get to 10, it might take quite a few days. Oh, I'll never level up to 10. Right. We've been here for a while. We already reached out to level 10. Us Ken and Pooh. What about the captain? I don't think she doesn't. Yeah. Anyways, let's go on to the quest already. Poppy's been waiting. Poppy, if you say so. The battle. Oh, well. What do we have here? Some lovely guests decided to join on a quest. Give up on now. Seen that kind of enemy before? It's a cat. There must be guys with brand new enemies. Hey, you say. Of course, I'm an enemy. I'm one of the most newest ones that Gaiden told me to be into the battles. So that way he can win. For the opinion, he'll be king again once for all. Mwahaha. Chance. Ugh. Is it raining gems? No wait, diamonds? No wait, lightning? Ah! Ah! Ugh, stupid dogs. I'll do it again. Ugh. Ah, so powerful. It's that easy then. Ugh. Oh no. Reach to 9. I think I have an idea. Why don't we all use our powers to defeat the cat? Level of 9? Let's do it. Okay. More, it's a genius idea. Let's do it. Not gonna happen. See if you can try beat that. Can't. Guys, get ready. Come on. The lightning. Double the more it's better. We did it! Woohoo! Of course we did. President Poppy thinks that we did a great job. We certainly did. Guys, let's go. Go for some lunch. Okay. For Poppy. What about me? Those dogs say they can beat me more than better. Well, I'll show them next time. Guys, gonna be so proud whenever I'll defeat them to the hardest level of all, 17.